In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can disable Instagram account permanently. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there, but begin by opening up Instagram and making sure you're on the correct account. From here, tap your profile icon down in the bottom right corner, and then select the three lines up in the top right corner, and you need to open up your Meta Account Center just like so. From here, just scroll down and you need to select Manage Accounts, and once you select Manage Accounts, what you need to do is look for whatever account it is that you're trying to deactivate permanently, but essentially select manage on it. It's going to pop up with these options. Go ahead and select deactivation or deletion. And then of course, what you need to do is select delete account, hit continue. It's going to show you everything that you're going to lose. Hit continue again. And then what you need to do is just kind of continue through this process a few times. You are going to have to answer these, so make sure you do answer this. Hit continue again. And then of course, go ahead and eventually type in your password to confirm. This is a permanent option though. Instagram will remove your photos, videos, comments, likes, and other account data after the deletion process is complete, so just keep that in mind. If you're okay with that, you're good to go. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.